So overall, this is Randy for Jamaica Health Box. We're helping our client here with her diabetes and her health overall. So the first thing, the book Forks Over Knives from Amazon, you purchase that. The second thing, you have your 2 pound of sea moss. You're going to learn how to make that. Keep it in your refrigerator, soak it in water, and then you can take it out, boil some hot water, throw a little bit in there real quick, take it out to kill the bacteria, put it in your blender. We recommend a Go ahead and mute your mic for me so I could get this clear. So we recommend you to have a Vitamix blender with the power. It's a 750 Vitamix blender or just a good blender because you want to blend things so that it can get into the body quickly. So your sea moss is something that you have to add to your regimen weekly. You blend your shake on Monday, keep it in your fridge, take it out the refrigerator after 20 minutes, and you should re-listen to this audio, and you should use this audio for guidance. Okay, so your sea moss and your blood sugar normalizer tea. There's about 45 bags of that. You take that in the morning. The directions are on there. The Noni detoxifier tonic builds the immune system and it boosts energy. So you could take a glass of water, throw 4 ounces or 2 ounces of this inside the water. Instead of 4 ounces, we're going to add this to your system slowly. And you should research all these different things. Look at the label of everything we give you and check against adverse reaction with your medication. And talk to your doctor about anything we give you. Noni detox, CMOS, anything. So the Noni detox will build the system and help you lose the weight. Later on, after you finish this regimen, you're going to get the blood purifier. Over time, we sneak that into the body. That's going to help you lose the weight also. The arrowroot powder you mix with the sea moss, 1 tablespoon of that. The stinking toe, you could get 3 tablespoons of that. It's a powder. It grows in a pod. The circulation tonic, after you're done with the Noni detox, then you're going to start following direction. It promotes blood flow and clear blockage of clot veins and so on. Okay, increase oxygen to the heart. That's very important. Now, the kidney support supplements, you could start taking that immediately with the blood sugar normalizer tea. When you're taking anything from us, do it every other day when it comes to the teas. You want to see how your body reacts to it and plan to have a 2 weeks checkup after you start taking these herbs. You want to make sure everything is balanced. If you feel any way, call your doctor. Take your time. Do not stop taking your medication. Keep a good balance. Speak with your doctor. Okay. Now, one of the most important thing we're adding to your life is the cold pressed coconut oil. Why is this so important? Now you're going to eat a salad every other day. You could also eat the salad with the sardine and the bulgur. When you cook the bulgur, get lettuce, tomato, your salad, take the cold pressed coconut oil, sprinkle it on the bulgur, and sprinkle it on the lettuce and the vegetables. And the sardine has its own oil. Get a good quality sardine every other day. So you don't have to worry about cooking, but you're introducing something to you. As often as you can eat a whole big red onion, eat that whole big red onion. Another thing that is very important on your plate is a big pickle for fermentation or sauerkraut, or you could drink kombucha from the supermarket. Check with your doctor. Whatever medication you're taking for your stomach, the kombucha is good fermentation. It will clean your stomach and you will lose the weight with the kombucha. You're not to eat any more white rice, white sugar, or flour. For energy, the arrowroot, the sea moss, these things will give you the energy. And a little bit of spirulina, it's a green powder thing. Check the spirulina against your medication and check with your doctor. Okay? So, what we're trying to do with this book that you're going to purchase, Fox Over Knives, it's going to have recipes on a plant based diet with legumes. If you keep this going and you keep this new lifestyle, you're going to be fine. Don't worry about your goals. Just keep getting stronger every day. Now, another major thing, our philosophy on Jamaica Health Box is walking. We believe in movement, and we believe in magnesium, and we believe in fermentation. This is why we're telling you about the pickle, the sauerkraut on your food, and kombucha. That's for movement, fermentation to make good probiotics happens in your stomach, for things to keep moving through your intestine. The reason you use cold pressed coconut oil a little bit in your tea, little teaspoon in your tea when you wake up and when you're going to bed, so that you could keep the intestine happy. It's good for the cells and it promotes good cholesterols in the cells. Okay. So once we keep your intestines happy, it keeps the movement at the edge of the stomach and the intestine. The cold pressed coconut oil, you could also rub it on your face, your skin. It's very important. So when you rub it on your skin all over you, it soaks into your skin, creates for healthy organs. Okay. The spirulina powder gives you the energy with the arrowroots, sea moss. Okay. So now it's important you add watercress to the same shake, or you could steam watercress in your salad with your sardine. Watercress will rejuvenate your cells. It will cause your organs to start working again. It will clean your kidney and build the cells. Okay? So, the most important thing we tell our clients, walking. When you walk, that's when your intestine moves. When you walk, that's when your heart really beats. That's when your lungs really breathe. Walking is one of the most important part of this new journey. Take your time, but walk as far as you can, okay? Based on your energy level. If it's just a circular motion around your neighborhood, fine. But do as much walking as you can. The organs will start working better. Check your doctor for magnesium supplements. Just like oxygen, magnesium is just as important as oxygen. So check your doctor and let them recommend a dosage of magnesium for you. We're going to put a link on your invoice to show you what magnesium you need to purchase from this company. It's a good company, but check your doctor for the amount of magnesium you should purchase. Magnesium and how often you should take it. The magnesium, the zinc, your D3, your vitamin C, all your supplements will give you the energy. Check with your doctor. Of course, you drink a lot of water. You could drink coconut water, but if you could get real coconut and break it with a hammer and put it in that blender, this is why we told you the most important thing in your life is your blender. We tell all our clients, be a big spender, get a Vitamix 750 blender. It's very powerful, and you could buy it refurbished at the Vitamix site and pay for it over time. This blender, it maximizes the horsepower so the food gets into the bloodstream quickly, the nutrients. So by the time you drink your shake at 11, by 12, you're feeling the impact of it's based on how it has blend the liquid to get it into the body and the sea moss. So now it's liquefied the sea moss into nutrients, and now this becomes your superfood. So we're developing a superfood for you. So when you go to the supermarket and you buy the watercress and you blend it and strain it and get that green liquid, keep that in a different jar in the fridge. And then when you're making your sea moss juice, you could pour some of that watercress juice in there. Check with your doctor as far as the amount of vitamin K, vitamin E levels for your green leafy foods based on what you're doing and what medication you're taking. Some of the best things we recommend to our clients are big raw red onions, as often as can with sardines and salad. The Forks Over Knives book, right? Sardine, of course. Cook every other day and do your salads every other day. Um, the arrowroot, the spirulina, the maca, and the stinking toe that we sell. It's very good with the smoothie. So this shake that you're making is the builder shake. It's the energy shake. It's not something you buy at the store, something you make yourself. And based on how it makes you feel, you could add a little bit more spirulina or arrowroot as you go along. But take your time with adding small amount of ingredients. And you're going to see the benefits when you start to take the sea moss. It's going to give you nutrients and energy. Okay? So this is a good start. The Noni detox you have here is going to help. Then later on, it's going to come the Bisivera cleanse for your kidney, your liver, your lymphatic system. And finally, you're going to get the slippery elm powder from, you could get that powder from Amazon, the slippery elm powder. So we're creating a weekly shake for you that is pure nutrients. It's not sweet, it's not fruits. You could do your fruit stuff separately, but since you're diabetic, you have to be cautious about the sugary fruits and how much sugary fruits you have. Remember, your watermelon is good, okay? Your sativa for sweetening is good. The sativa for sweetening, that's good. So I'm going to put the slippery elm bark powder that's on Amazon here. I'm going to put that on your invoice also as a list of something to get to purchase for your shake. The slippery elm powder is great for your stomach walls and for your bone and such. Okay. There's a lot of other things out there, flax seeds, different things. Any questions?
Not so far.
Are you understanding how we're trying to go about this healing process? You're understanding, right?
Yes.
Okay, good. So the elm bark powder is very, very important.
How do I get that?
I have a link on your invoice. You could get it from Amazon. Okay.
Okay.
And the same thing I'm typing here, I'm going to send it to you on your phone also. Okay.
Okay.
So this is what you put in your shake. So we're creating a whole new world for you. Okay.
Okay.
There, there's something called, so this is a beginning for you. You have your teas, you have your slipperin powder. This is a good start. We want you on this journey for a long time. We have clients that have high blood pressure and they start doing their smoothie and they feel better. So it's not about taking one medication for blood pressure or one herb. No, it's the constant nutrients that keeps you balanced. That's why we came in with the builder shake. And what we put in the shake, that's what, with the sea moss, with the coconut, that's what keeps you balanced. You understand? And once
Yes.
you having, it's a balance slash clean, because the next round, based on how you start, the next round we're gonna add something called turkey berry. later on. There's other things we could add, but we're going to start with that for now. So this ends the recording.